Welcome back. Residents from Gaolepat Jimbel are irked over the attitude of the Serrao residency for discharging sewerage water on the PWD road. Residents allege that the members of the residency illegally dug the road to discharge sewage water. This mess has created traffic congestion and health hazards in the area.
Locals claim that the residency has no permission from PWD, Health Department and Mercedes Village Panchayat to release sewage water.
All the sewage water was flowing along the road. This has continued for a number of years. Now of late, they damaged the road and they tried to release this sewage water into the storm water drain, which would ultimately pass along all the houses, residences and go into the fields.
Tuni health permission घेवंक ना मागीर ते पंचायती हांव नको ते घेतल्या रावना पळय ती पूण हो पळय रस्तो पळय फोडला पळय तो इज इलिगल तो रस्तो पळय फोडला पळय तो इज कंप्लीटली इलिगल इट विल गो इनटू रेन वॉटर स्टॉर्म वॉटर ड्रेन म्हणटा पळय ती इट इज मेट ओनली फॉर रेन वॉटर्स
आणि उदकाची पायपलाइन
आणि उदक आणि आमकां येवपाचें आहा कोणाक खबर दिवंक आसची ना बाबा कितें जालां तें.
It was also noticed that the housing project was opposed by the then Punch member Shanti Chopdekar. She claimed that it would create sewerage problem near the chapel. She also resigned after a politician gave no objection certificate to the residency without taking her into confidence. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Prajot Pednekar for Prudent.
Air India were held to a 1-1 draw by 10-man Sporting Clube de Goa in the I-League on Saturday. Sporting substitute Victorino Fernandes scored the equaliser in the closing minutes of the match in Pune.
It was a bit casual, wasn't it? And all of a sudden possession squandered. And now an opportunity for Joseph Pereira. That's a really nice ball. These two teams not cherishing the ball as much as they should. It's lofted forward now though, and there's an opportunity here for Henry to have a chat about it at half-time with their players. Oh, Henry's done well there, he goes down. And on that replay, Aaron Pillai having that war for Sporting. Free kick taken and it's a goal! Fantastic strike! 1-0 to Air India. One of them being Sugashita. Get us started, and what a shot that is. But they're the ones who hold the lead, thanks to Elijah Junior's free kick. In comes another corner. Sugashita was there at the near post, so was Kalu Ogbar. Good work from Ogbar, does well there. Finds Dawson Fernandes. And all of a sudden there's a real break on here for Sporting. Ogbar on the turn, gets a shot in. Dispossessed by two Air India players. And now Henry Azay looking to use his pace, does so well, gets the shot in. Into the second minute of the added time. Cross comes in, it's come all the way to the back post and the shot comes in, it's a goal! Goal!
Meanwhile, Churchill brothers thrashed Shillong Lajong by half a dozen goals to go top of the table on Friday evening. Churchill's Brazilian midfielder Beto has run into tremendous form, winning the Man of the Match award against Shillong.
It's a good game, you know. Start the season, start the new year with victory like this is very important for us. That we are fighting for the trophy, back to the winning ways. So very happy, you know, to start the year like this. Hope that, you know, we can continue in the same pace and achieve more victories, more 3 points.
4 players out. I've got a very small squad, and we played a very good side. So they're a very good side, and we had 4 players out, and it doesn't help. Yeah, that's it. That's all I've got to say.
With bureau inputs, our reporter from Mapsa, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.